So this is the DS project we have implemented according to the microservice architecture. We have main four services. The first one is auth service, second one is restaurant service, third one is delivery service, and the fourth one is the order service. Once we consider about all three services, all the services are connected with the front end through the central API gateway, as well as they each services also communicating with the central API gateway. So first we consider about the auth service. In auth service, they have login option and sign up option based on the user role. So once we consider about the registration form, we can fill the form, and in the form there will be three major roles according to the system, so as a drop down, and register according to the relevant role. So in the admin dashboard, we have created hard-coded admin login credential, because login credentials are admin login are limited number of logins have in the system, so we have hard-coded the admin credentials. Let's log into the admin dashboard. Once we connected to the admin dashboard, there will be the admin dashboard two major functions are controlled here. The first one is we can approve and reject the restaurants. Admin can approve or reject the restaurants like this. So once the reject the restaurant, the user will not be able to see this restaurant, and once newly a restaurant is registered to the system, this will have another entry as a pending state. So once approved the restaurant, this will shown as this. So in the manage user part, they have active or deactivate state, and we can change the role according to the relevant user type in the user management system. So once these are belongs to the auth services, and let's create another new restaurant for the as a restaurant admin. Once the successful login, there will be no available restaurants for the restaurants. So restaurant admin can add the restaurants, many restaurants if they need. So by clicking this, restaurant admin can add the restaurant. They can upload the image and type the restaurant name, and the description. After that, restaurant admin can pin the real restaurant location. So once restaurant admin pin the location, this will automatically fill the relevant fields, and after adding this will have the pending state, so we have to log in again with the admin and give the approval to the relevant restaurant. This will shows as a pending state, so we can give the approve to the restaurant. After approving the restaurant test restaurant 1, we can again logging with the user account we have already created one. So once we log into the restaurant, this will shows the newly added restaurant, but there is no any menu. We didn't still update any menu in the from that restaurant. So this is belongs to the restaurant services, and in the adding restaurant part also belongs to the restaurant service. Once let's log in again with the restaurant email. Once we log into the system in the restaurant services, there are main functionalities we can see. We can edit the details of the restaurant. If we like, we can upload the image. In this part, I'm not going to upload any image because for the time, and we can the all the selected coordinates of the longitude and latitude will be shown here. So we can, if we need to update the location, we can update that also. So once we and we can do it as it as closed or open. We can change the state as set as closed or open. Once we set as closed, this will not be visible. This will be visible to the user, but it will shown as unavailable restaurant. So in the edit details part, I have already shown. In the manage orders, we can see once the user created order, we can see here the order manage order part, and in the manage menu we can add menus, item, so there also another function. This item we can have it as available or in available state. Once we submitted the menu, we can see the item. So this will visible to the user, and this is the responsible part for the restaurant services. And